We don't talk about bounce rates, no, no, no. We don't talk about bounce rates. It was my launch day. It was our launch day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. No clouds allowed in the sky. The traffic walks in with the mischievous grin. Friendo! You telling this story, or am I? I'm sorry, Calvin, go on. The visitors come, then they leave in a second. I check the analytics, and what I reckon, they didn't stay to read, they didn't even click. It's like the back button did a magic trick. A technical nightmare, a digital flaw. The worst user journey that I ever saw. We don't talk about bounce rates, no, no, no. We don't talk about bounce rates. Fear of the exit and the close. I can always hear the server muttering and mumbles. I associate the sound of falling clicks with stumbles. It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left the stakeholders and the clients fumbling, grappling with shadows they could not understand. Do you understand? A 7-foot frame, ad stuck on his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. Hey. Wait, no, that's not right. Calvin Lee stepped in to save the night. He told me my landing page was way too slow. He told me the CT was hidden below. He told me that my copy didn't flow, but with his help my conversions started to grow. He told me that my leads would be mine, that the power would be mine. He told me that my brand would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine. Said that nothing is impossible as long as the funnel is unstoppable. It's almost time. We don't talk about bounce rates, no, no, no. I'm doing my ECO. We don't talk about bounce rates. I'm checking the flow. Don't talk about bounce rates. Why did I talk about bounce rates? Not a word about bounce rates. The session duration is rising higher. Guided by Calvin Lee, digital marketing trainer. Yeah, we stay on the page. One final shh, and a guitar strum.